Good day everyone and welcome back to TMacFPV, your home for our journey to better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. Today we're going to be jumping through hoops and breaking down barriers just for you. We also have the results of our giveaway. Stay tuned.
Well, I hope you had fun watching that because we sure had a blast making it for you. But right now it's time for our giveaway of the PIDFLIGHT LAP Rev 2 printed circuit board and resistors. And I've decided today that along with that, we're going to be giving away the right angle pin headers for the printed circuit board. a male and female XT60 connector in case you want to make your own cable to power the board with a LiPo. And of course, with that, you would need a 5-volt step-down voltage regulator, which we will also provide. And last but not least, USB to mini USB cable. So hopefully that'll give you enough for the parts to start out with your PIDFLIGHT lap timer and help improve your flying skills. Let's get started with the giveaway. Got to load the URL. We're going to pick 2 winners today, 2 eligible winners today. Load the comments, 7 comments, and let's randomly pick a winner. Quadcopter review, Pepe Prawns. 1 comment. Did you build this whole thing? Well, yes, I did, Pepe Prawns. And if I can do it, anybody can. Congratulations to you. Shoot me an email at TMacFPV@gmail.com and we'll get this little package out to you right away. Let's pick a second one. That would not be me. Christian Mengler. Excellent job with this video. I'm grateful you've taken the time to record a very detailed video on PIDFLIGHT lap, and I appreciate the acknowledgement too. P.S. You could exclude me from your giveaway. Well, thank you very much, Christian Mengler. Since you're the creator, developer, implementer, guru extraordinaire of PIDFLIGHT, I fully understand that you want to be excluded from the giveaway since you have all the PIDFLIGHT stuff you need. But thanks again, Christian. Homegrown Canadian FPV, 1 comment. Sweet video, brother. Have race timer, so all good here. Well, I'm guessing that means that you are not interested in the PIDFLIGHT lap timer package, but if you happen to change your mind, Homegrown Canadian FPV, no worries. Shoot me an email, TMacFPV@gmail.com, and we'll get you out a little package right away. That's going to do it for our giveaway. Let us know what you thought about the content in the comments below. Jot down anything that comes to your mind. Remember to subscribe to your channel for better FPV fun flights and racing stuff. Share the video with your family, friends, and coworkers. Ring that bell below if you want to get notified for future videos. Thank you very much for watching. We certainly appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Happy flying.